Hello, welcome back. So I made a trade right here. I got in at 1578. My risk level was right here, 1556, because I saw this point was sitting on it, this point was sitting on it, and this whole little crew was hanging out here. I did get nervous on this little pullback, but this, I started watching it around here, and I saw this big pullback, and I was like, ugh. But I was like, you know what? I like the overall trend of a low float, huge volume. It has news. It is a breakout on the daily chart. So let me find a position where I can take a dip, test out my idea right where I want to. Um, and it ended up working in my favor, and this was my risk, 1556, so it would have been like 20 cents. Risk to reward, this went to 1680, even 16 what 70. um I only capitalized till 16. When my order processed at 16, it it already shot to 1613, and I thought that I would get you know uh executed with a little bit of slippage. Like sometimes on E-Trade that happens, even if you put in a lower number and the stock skyrockets, you get a little bit of slippage, I feel like, but not on, it hasn't happened to me on IB, maybe once before. So that was cool. And looking at the overall chart and looking at Oracle, right? It was bearish on Oracle when I was looking at it. Now it's turned bullish, and it looks like it has another move to 24. Um, I thought that it already had gone to 24, and that's what it was talking about. But I looked at the overall chart, and I was like, okay, it's above, or it was above pre-market today. It looks like this is like the back side of the move, but because it's been consolidating, because it will not break down past this $14 level, it's hanging out at this 1560s level. I was basically able to get in at support, um, and I really have to start working on holding my longs if I'm profitable. It's very scary to me, I guess. I'm like, now I'm writing down my notes on a calendar. Like last Friday I made $18. On Monday I lost $9. On Wednesday I made 25. Today I made 25. So overall, out of 4 trades, 3 of them are green. Um, but I need to get those profits to be a little bit bigger, or I have to increase my size a little bit to 200. Since I don't like to stay in the stock for too long, I might have to increase my size, as long as I'm close to my support level, wherever that may be. I think that this will ramp into the close because it's a super low float, because it's a freaking huge volume day. Look at the 1 year chart. It is a breakout. Breakouts on the 1 year are bullish to me. Take a look at that. It's above this whole level of $15. So those were my reasons to be bullish on this. Does make me sad that I didn't capitalize on it perfectly, but anybody that I say that to, literally people that don't even trade, they say you can't judge yourself after you've exited the stock already. It's just like life. You got to be happy with what you get. So I'm happy about that. Good job, Liz. Looks like I'm turning a corner. And I was also looking at MARPs because it was a low float, but the volume wasn't obviously as high, and I think it was a breakout on the 1 year, and I was looking for resistance. It is a breakout on the 1 year, but because of the volume, I went with VVPR. Even though the intraday chart did not look bullish per se, um, it was similar to this where it's already had that huge spike. So whatever, I made $22. Good job, Liz. And that's all for now. Thank you so much. You see, it could pull back on you any freaking time. So I thought that this might become another crash or something. So I was like, let me just take whatever profits are coming. So that was all. Okay, bye.